Good morning, everyone. It's just Scott from Customize, and today we're coming at you with another Rough Country install video. What is it going to be? It's the hard roll-up tonneau cover from Rough Country on this 2025 Dodge Ram with the 5'7" bed. This is not the classic style. This is the new style truck, standard tailgate. Let me show you the part number. All right, this is what we're working with right here. It's a Rough Country hard roll-up bed cover, 503-20550. This will work for 19 to 25 Dodge Rams with a 5'7" bed. What I'm gonna do is go over the basics of the install for this thing so you guys have a rough idea of what you're getting involved in, or if you wanna have somebody else do it, whatever that happens to be. So we'll get all the pieces laid out, and then we'll start the install, then we can talk about some of the benefits and features. All right, and with everything we get from Rough Country here, it's always packaged really well. Everything is wrapped up real nice to prevent any damage. Instructions laid right on the top there. There's always a pamphlet in there with some extra gear that'll be related to your vehicle and things that you can go ahead and order for your vehicle. So let me get some of these out. These would be the side rails. That'd be the big roll-up rail. Let me get the instructions out, kind of give you a brief rundown of how it's gonna go. All right, so I've laid out the right and the left bed rail, and as you can see here, some of it's pre-assembled. And as you can see on the front, there is a drain tube. For instance, any water that can collect in here is gonna go in this drain tube. So you're gonna go ahead, they supply you with two pieces of tubing, put one on this side, and you're gonna have one on that side. And I believe they're gonna go down into that hole by the tow hook, I believe. Some of these you have to drill a hole in the bed. I'm not sure on this one, we'll get to that. Now, on the front of the bed, across the top, right there between the two bed rails, you got this sticky foam. We're gonna have to dry it up. You're gonna put this sticky foam across the top. So I'm gonna go ahead, get that cleaned up, put our sticky foam down, then we'll get into the bed rail installation. All right, just like that, you peel the sticky stuff off the back of that foam, and it goes between your two bed rails. We've gone ahead and slid on, and it does slide on pretty hard, just to give you a heads up. Our drain tube's there. Now we'll get into the bed rail installation. Okay, in the hardware box here, you've got your bed rail clamp. So there's one in the front. I'll show you how that's gonna go on in a minute. And one in the rear. You got some thumb wheels, you got some straps that'll I believe these go on and get it contained when it's in the rolled up position. It even comes with a wrench to tie down your clamp, so that's pretty cool, as well as some Allen wrenches here. So like you can see, there's some adjustments with an Allen wrench. So basically what's gonna happen is, we're gonna get this thing up on the bed rail. I'm gonna loosely put a clamp onto the front and one onto the rear, up into the bed like so, snug it down, then I'll show you exactly how they went on. All right, there you go, guys. Kind of show you how that bed rail sits onto the truck bed here. Up, slide it all the way against the front till your drain tube is actually hitting the front of the bed here. And you put one bed rail right here, one bed rail clamp, and the other one goes like this. So just to kind of show you how they go is, hold on, let me get out of this focus here. It's crazy. I think I had you on cinematic. But basically, it just, I try and do this with one hand. You just clip this in like so. Then this other part swings. I might have to loosen it more. It swings up on the back side of the bed rail here, and you snug this up. But for now, you're gonna put these in here and just snug them. Don't tighten anything down yet. You just want it to stay up in position, that's it. All right, here we go. So both bed rails are on. And once you're confident, these are pushed all the way forward, and your clamps as close to the tailgate as you can. We don't have this one on yet. We've got that one, this one. Then you're gonna go ahead and snug these all up. You're gonna take your drain tubes, and I believe every truck's a little different, but this one has a hole right here in the bed. I'm gonna go under there with a creeper to be sure that these are in fact gonna shoot towards the ground and not pool up inside the bed. So that's important depending on your truck and your application. A lot of times they're in the front of the bed as well. So like I said, snug these all up, then we're gonna get into placing the actual roll-up hard top. All right, I apologize, my phone cut off on that last one. But anyway, once you get these rails, you're sure that they're pushed all the way forward, you can go ahead and snug up the four brackets, one on each corner. Now we're gonna get into the roll-up cover part of it, and that's gonna go into these slots here. The drain holes went down through here on the sides of the bed. Sometimes they're in the front of the bed. Sometimes you have to put a hole in the bed. Verify that it is gonna go down to the ground as well. So let me get the roll-up cover unboxed, and I'll talk about how that's going on. All right, a lot of times these videos, they don't show this. It is good to have a buddy because this is pretty heavy. How that's gonna mount is basically bolts, there's 4 bolts that are gonna go down through the top of this lid. Underneath inside the bed, you'll crawl up and put these thumb wheels. These bolts, this is the front against your cab, are gonna go into these rails. One here, one there, and then 2 on the other side. In order to get these in, there's a slot way down here at the bottom. See that? It's bigger, so the head of the bolt slides right in. Bring it on up. Boom. Then you can set this on and lock it in place. I just wanted to show that because it's a lot easier to see it now before I put it in place. All right, so we have just set this onto the bed rails itself, kind of just setting down in between the bed rails. As you can see, that's where it's going to bolt on. And if you set this down like this and you flip this end up, you have access to those slots for these two bolts. So you put one in, slide it all the way down, the other one in, all the way down, and then the other two right here. You're going to set this down carefully. So slide it forward, set it down so those two studs land right in there. You're going to make sure everything fits in there good. And once it's in there, you're going to snug it all down. All right, now that we got it set in place, as you can see, the studs are in position there. What's going to happen is you're going to take this security strap. That's what when you roll it up, you strap it. This is going to go on those two studs there. And what's going to hold that on is a flat washer, lock washer, and the thumb wheels, one on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and get those things snugged up. And once you're certain that you're nice and even across the front here, and you got your seal in there really good, you go ahead and tighten up those thumb wheels, the 4 thumb wheels on the bottom. And now you have your strap on here that's going to go ahead, and when you have this in the rolled up position, it's a carabiner, so you just clip it. You can snug that little pull strap and leave it in a pulled up position as well. So pretty cool. All right, we talked about our straps there. Now we're going to slowly roll this thing down, which is actually really easy to do. This is a very well built product too. And then what's going to happen is we'll talk about the latch system and how that works. All right, so the locking mechanism. As you saw how easy this thing rolls up and rolls back down. Once it's down, basically, and it's latched in place, you just pull this cable and it pulls these detents out. So you're gonna have to, or you might have to adjust this here. I'm doing this with one hand because you gotta make sure that this is not gonna interfere with the groove and it's not gonna interfere with the tailgate. So these are just preset from the factory. You can go up and down with this adjustment here, a little bit side to side if you have to. Then once we get this thing latched and shut, we'll shut the tailgate. If the seal is not meeting really well like we want it to right here, then we're gonna loosen these side rails up a little bit and slide it back just a touch, but we'll see. Okay, so I loosened this one and slid the clamp forward about 1/4 of an inch, and now we've got, it clamps in place. So again, to release it, pull this lever, up it comes, roll it up, and you can secure it in place. Now we're gonna shut the tailgate and see if we need to do further adjustments. And I think we might have to. I think this is too high. So if that's the case, we'd have to loosen this up and lower it down a little bit to get it to fit snugger. But let me, snugger, I don't know if that's a word, but let me shut the tailgate. All right, so we had to adjust ours to come back a little bit, and then we had to adjust the end pieces here to come down a little bit in order to get the tailgate to seal up right there. So it's you get the up and down and the front to back, and then you get everything working good, and then you can go ahead and roll it up. So before we get into the whole once over of this thing, this would be a great time to hit the like and subscribe for our channel, Flip and Customize. We really appreciate it. We are an authorized Rough Country dealer and installer, and we try to do a bunch of videos with Rough Country stuff. We just did a 5-inch lift kit on our own build for YouTube for our 94 Dodge. It'll be out later, hopefully this week. But anyway, here's the tongue cover. All right, for starters, this is a very nice looking, durable, aluminum, hard tunnel cover. Why hard tunnel cover? Well, security reasons. It's easy. It rolls up here. Okay, you're gonna hold it, excuse me. You're gonna get your straps, your carabiner straps. You can lock it down, pull those straps, adjust it in, and then you got full use of your bed, just like that. Don't confuse this with a retractable tunnel cover. This is not that. This is a hard roll-up tunnel cover. Some of the retractable ones stay within the truck down in here, just so there's no confusion. It actually almost unrolls itself. So you go ahead, those latches, you can either pull this lever in, push it down. Once you have things adjusted right, it's gonna seal right in there. Think of the nice Rough Country logo. It keeps your gear, your cargo, security. Once that tailgate's shut, nobody's getting in there. This thing is hard, it's weather tight, it's durable, and it looks cool. So if you're looking to get one of these for your truck, they have them for all different makes and models. This happens to be the new body style 2025 Dodge Ram. Just a once over of it. This is a cool addition to any truck. So yeah, we can get them for you here at Flip and Customize. You can go right to Rough Country and get them there. We can get it installed for you. It's a pretty straightforward install. However, the basic install is, but a lot of the tweaking and adjusting and moving, that's the time consuming part. And once this thing's on your truck and you run it down the road for a little while, you're gonna have to go back and double check all your fasteners and maybe tweak things out a little bit as things settle out. But anyway, just want to do a quick video on the hard roll-up tunnel covers from Rough Country. They make them pretty much for all makes and models. Check them out. Scott Flip Customized.